Okay, so this is a great example of open, diamond to open to tangle, and then we get the push pull. So our float MIDI just moved to open, and so now we're getting the in overcut on the arrow side, which is what we always want to try first to see if we can just clear it right away there. So you'll see we got in cut, overcut. This takes that MIDI that's guarding what we would call the arrow zone, and he's now has to be concerned about him. And he has to talk to this LSM in the middle and bump that over. They don't do it very well here. And I think we could have made this pass right here, but it's a little iffy and we don't make it. So we redirect to the goalie here. And now you'll see we're going to get the pull on this side. So these middies have to now come on side so we can push on the opposite side over here on the Boston side. So we redirect through Cal. As he catches it here, he probably had, I think this is Davis Brickle right away. And then we definitely have Connor Allen over here. But he redirects to Deese, and Deese catches here. And he's got two options to clear it right now. And you can see, I think they might have been even almost kind of a 10-man now that I look at it. They were sneaking the goalie out here. But luckily, we're 4 across, about equidistant across the midline if you look at it, and that's what spreads this thing out, and that's what allows us to clear it so easily. Also, I don't think they matched up well here. This guy should have been, covering this guy up a little bit better. So I think they could have ran it better. But either way, we clear it because we go 4 across, we do the push-pull, and we're off to the races.